Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I hope everyone's having a really great day. My name's Talia and I post videos about music, lifestyle, and fashion. So if any of those things interest you, then definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a vacation vlog. I did just recently go to the Keys. We went to Tavenier and then we also went to Key West for a little bit. So I will be sharing all about that in the next few clips, but I did want to give a shout out to Ana Luisa. I'm so excited to be partnering with them for this video. I have some beautiful new pieces to show you, and let's go ahead and get into that. So I'm gonna insert some clips of the unboxing, but first off is this beautiful pearl necklace right here. So let me go ahead and show that. It has just the most beautiful shine. It's so pretty. And then I also got the matching bracelet. So this is like the perfect little set to get together. Both of them shine so brightly. I thought this was just perfect. I just went to the Keys, saw so much shell jewelry, and was kind of inspired by that with these choices. I think that they're so much fun. And I know it's winter right now, but of course, summer jewelry, summer vibes, living in Florida, that's always my thing. So I'm so excited to have these and have this little beachy, very like sophisticated beachy vibe going on. I also picked up this really cute ring. So it is like the shape of a snake in gold, and it has a green little stone on the eye, which I thought was such a cute touch. I don't usually get a whole lot of rings, but I do want to kind of start building up a set. So this is my very first one in my soon-to-be collection. So I absolutely love this. It's so comfortable. I cannot believe how comfortable it is, and it fit me perfectly. I was so nervous about getting the perfect size, but I just took a string and wrapped it around my finger and then put that next to a ruler to see how many inches, or I guess centimeters, round my finger was, and that worked out just enough for me to have the perfect sizing. So I'm so excited about that. Anytime I used to try to get like costume, jewelry from whatever store, it never fit me. So I'm really excited about this, and they're all just such beautiful pieces. They all came in really cute packaging. So it was green and red for, I guess, Christmas theme. I thought the little bags are so cute. I have actually a few other Ana Luisa pieces, and I use those bags, those little travel baggies, all the time. I used to not be somebody who wore jewelry a whole lot, and I realized it was mostly because I didn't want to travel with it. It always gets tangled up. I don't have like a nice place to keep it, but those little bags are like a game changer. I bring jewelry with me now all the time, especially my Ana Luisa pieces. And yeah, so I absolutely love these. I'm so excited to start wearing them. Follow me on Instagram at TaliaSophia_style. I will definitely be posting some pictures wearing these beautiful little pieces. But in the meantime, go ahead and check out their holiday sale. They have that going on right now. I'll leave it linked down below. They have some really great pieces to choose from and some great discounts. If you use my code TaliaSophia20, then you do get 20% off. So I'll leave that code link down below as well. But obviously these pieces are just so incredibly beautiful. And besides that, all of Ana Luisa's pieces are made with the environment in mind. All of their jewelry is sustainable. All of it's sustainably made. Their packaging and shipping is carbon neutral. So not only is it an absolutely beautiful gift to give, but it's an environmentally conscious one, and that makes it all the better. So definitely check out my link down below, check out their sales, they're beautiful items, and use my code TaliaSophia20 for 20% off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the beautiful clips from Key West. Good morning. So it is day 3 in the Keys, and I just want to show you guys our awesome view. Look how pretty it is. So sun's still really nice and bright. But look how gorgeous. It's so quiet here and it's just so beautiful. So yesterday we rented a boat. I should have some footage up from that too. We went snorkeling. We saw a bunch of different kinds of fish and some barracuda. And yeah, it was just a lot of fun being out in the water. I definitely loved having our own boat so that we had some more freedom, could kind of like go around wherever we wanted. I got to drive the boat, which was a lot of fun as well. Got a tiny bit burned, but that's okay. It's part of the experience. So today we're not totally sure what we're gonna do. We might drive down to Key West, which is like 2 hours from where we're staying right now, and see what it's like over there. And yeah, I'll just keep, you know, showing you some clips along the way. But Keys in December is definitely super, super beautiful. And I didn't show much about our room, but basically we rented like a little condo from Vacasa. So Vacasa is, I think, pretty similar to Airbnb. It's like renting out like a condo or an apartment or something like that. And we found out about it as members of the Marriott Bonvoy program. So we got, I think, like double points for booking through Vacasa, and we're definitely not disappointed. I love this view that we have. It's a small balcony, but it's super, super cute. The rooms are really cute, all like nautical and sea themed. So yeah, definitely perfect space for us for just a few days. And you know, being able to like enjoy more of the nature here. And yeah, so super happy that we did that, and I will keep sharing updates. How cute are you? And a chicken. Chickens travel with you? You guys are friends with the chickens? Kind of just walking along towards Mallory Square. We saw the Truman little White House, which was really cool. So many important people have been there and stayed there, and so many important things happened there. It's really interesting. What else did we see? We also saw the Hemingway house. All those little kitties are so cute. Oh my gosh. And now just kind of going through different gift shops. Got a couple things and enjoying the beautiful ocean. So I will keep showing some clips. It's so cold. Okay, so I didn't really record an outro, but that was everything from Key West. We had a really great time. We rented a boat. It was actually pretty affordable, surprisingly, and we went snorkeling on our own. I didn't talk about this much, so I'm going to talk about it now. We went snorkeling and did not do any research before. We kind of did some research to make sure that we felt comfortable driving the boat, but we didn't do research on the actual places that we could go to with that boat. So there were two particular reefs that we went to in the Islamorada area. We went to Alligator Reef and Chicken and Hen and Chicken, something like that. If you're familiar, then you might recognize the names, but both of those were absolutely beautiful. And at the Alligator Reef, we saw parrotfish. We saw a bunch of beautiful colored fish. I don't have any footage of it because I forgot my GoPro, so I didn't get any underwater footage, but so many beautiful things to see there. And I saw a shark, you guys. I saw a really big shark. Did not expect it because I, like a dummy, just didn't think that there were such large sharks in the ocean. I'm a Florida girl, I should know this, but I didn't. It was really big. I think it was a blackfin shark, black tip fin shark. I'll insert the name if I can find it again, but we did search it and found that those sharks are found on Alligator Reef. So I'm like, wow, how did we not know? So pro tip to anybody going to the Keys and doing some snorkeling on their own without a guide, look up the different reefs that you can go to. A lot of the boat, rental places, they have like a map or something, and they show you some specific places that are great to go snorkeling or fishing or whatever. Google them before, make sure you know some stuff. You're not expecting to see things and then see them. I was pretty darn scared after that, but it was totally fine. The shark didn't come near us and was not aggressive or anything, but a little bit of a shock. So look that up for sure. So that was probably like the most exciting part of our trip, definitely the highlight. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed these clips, and I really appreciate you watching. I do want to give a little reminder and shout out again to Ana Luisa. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Again, these beautiful pieces. Check out the link down below. I'll leave it in the description box, and use my code TaliaSophia20 for 20% off. All right, thank you so much, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll leave a couple other videos for you to check out. All right, bye.